wishes from Moldex 3D Europe. I sincerely hope you stay safe and well. Due to COVID-19, minimizing the risk of traveling is very important during this time. To safely share and exchange the user experience and innovation, we are organizing a global live conference. This event will be streaming live on 29th and 30th of September, so please, book your calendar now.
We named this global conference as Moldex 3D Digital Twin Live 2020. It emphasizes the connection between the physical model and the corresponding virtual model. Digital twin integrates Internet of Things.
A digital twin continuously learns and updates itself from multiple sources to represent near real-world working conditions and the process responses. It is essentially what we are and what we do for molding simulation at Moldex 3D.
Moldex 3D is a mirror of reality. It connects the process, material data, live mold trials, and machine parameters with clear virtual representation. We sincerely invite you to join this event. Even better, to present your digital twin application in Moldex 3D. We are looking forward to hosting you there. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon!